Hey guys, so today I want to try to make this Dalgona coffee. The ingredients seems to be very easy, okay, but I'm not sure how it tastes like. People say it tastes quite nice, so I want to make today. So let's follow me, and my hubby is going to help me in the kitchen to make this Dalgona coffee. Alright. Okay, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water. Just mix it. Now blend it. We're going to scrape the bowl. Not falling down, so it's done. Add ice and milk. And the blended coffee mixture. Ooh, so gooey. Okay, that is our Dalgona coffee. Okay guys, this is my Dalgona coffee. Look at this. Alright, so I'm going to stir it. Oh, there is a resistance when I stir it. Okay.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's nice. It's just like all those fancy coffee you have in the coffee shop. Definitely is. So okay, yeah, I tried the Dalgona coffee. I definitely like it. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. So I tested a little bit. It's like very salty.
Salty?
Is it? 放超盐不是吗？